It's so hot in here. Turn that off. Okay. First attempt. Oh, kill him! So on the way to the shop this morning, I heard this loud rattling noise. What the heck is that? I kind of like look back on the other corner and I see this crap. Just my freaking luck. We shall see if this angle is enough. I know I bottom out in like Mazdas if I just have the ramps go straight down, and the GTR is freaking low and I don't want to mess up the side skirts. So wish me luck. So here's the problem that I'm having. Suspension is just not even like, what the heck? So if you look up here, yeah, that's not good. Problem number one that I found wrong with it, suspension is garbage. This freaking side again. So it just wanted to like throw the car off the side. That one's still on the ramp, but like barely. So I'm just gonna adjust this one a little bit because that's about to fall off the ramp. It's halfway on. So I'm gonna turn this wheel, then turn the other wheel. Got some mega freaking drift angle. Holy crap. Found my problem. Broken tie rod. You can see it through there. That is what my problem is. I just hope from doing this crap that didn't pop the CV axle. Okie dokie, GTR is off the ramps and in its spot that it is going to sit, at least for today, because I do need to get cars in and out of here tomorrow, but time to wash it because every good car deserves a good wash before you start working on it. I don't know. I just like washing cars and starting with clean stuff, so let's wash it. And by let's, I mean me, and you guys will watch me watch it. Watch me wash it. Yeah, in yesterday's video, I didn't really show a whole lot of in-depth on the car. So I'm gonna go over that right now and show what I have seen so far and a little bit better shots of the interior, because I just wanted to get in and get out of IAA tomorrow since I knew that I had a 12-hour drive ahead of me. Okay, as you saw earlier, the inner tie rod is busted. The main thing is right in here. I don't want to get fiberglass in my arm again. But this is the frame rail right here, and it's just folded and bent and ripped right there. So that is going to be the biggest concern and fix right there. Then you have, originally in the pictures, I thought this wiring harness was cut. And I want to take off all this tape and make sure that there's no nicks in any of the wires, and then I'll rewrap it. Obviously fender, radiator support needs to be fixed, and I'm just gonna assume everything else here in the front. I'll take it apart one by one and, you know, save pieces that are salvageable, but for the most part, I bid out before I bid on this. I quoted out the whole front end and what it cost me to replace. Hood, I don't know. Like, I know that people fix aluminum hoods that look worse than this, so I'll get some quotes in town. I can't do that. I do not know how to do that. And then the fender was pushed back a little bit, so it's been hitting there. So paint, like as I was washing it, and you could even see, well, you probably can't with this camera, but there's little specks like all over the car, and I don't know what they are from. Like, you can feel them as you run your hand across the car. So I need to figure that out, take the dip off all the wheels. Even if I do decide to keep them black again, I want to do new dip. Rear end is pretty good. Like, there's nothing that I really saw. There's a little bit of scratches and stuff here, and right there's a little nick down here, but yeah, overall it's the rear end is good. Same with over here. I haven't checked brakes or underneath anything yet. I literally just got the car off the trailer this morning. So there's passenger side. And then here is the front end of the passenger side. Tabs don't look broke. Well, it's like split there. But that one's split too, so I don't know. But that headlight can maybe be reused. And yeah. Interior wise, door card is good on this side. The seats look great. They have dirt and crap down in there, but all this needs to be cleaned out. The headliner has some little stains on it, but overall, I think this is, you know, really, I was really lucky to get this vehicle. And some may say, no, you weren't. Look at the freaking front end. But, you know, one man's trash is another man's treasure. I have not looked in the trunk yet. Please be $1 million. Please be $1 million. Okay, yeah. Just needs a detail. So yeah. And it has a rattle, obviously, if you just heard that. I don't know if you did. But that is that. It's going to be a slow progress getting this car done. I sometimes, like that Mazda 3 right there, they're just quick, you know? Like a Mazda, well, that one is taking me forever because I procrastinate really bad. But I could do one of those cars in a week. This one, nah, I'm taking my time doing it, even though I have a lot invested in it so far, just up front. I have to take my time because it's gonna sell for so much more. And okay, I bought this for the dealership side of my business, so I'll fix it up and I'll drive it until it sells. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Stay tuned for more on that completely blown out image because of the light and me filming on a cell phone. Until the next one, have a good one and be safe out there. Follow your dreams as well. Bye guys.
Oh, kill him!
I got a... Oh, this is a freaking jump rope.